Welcome to this overview of Chapter 3, Measurement and Quantification. There are a variety of codes or rules of measurement used for preparing bills of quantities in common use, some of which are listed on this page. It's a question of horses for courses, as each has been developed for specific industries. IPMS and ICMS are very much work in progress and an attempt to internationalize measurement practice. There are several ways to record dimensions when measuring quantities. Textbooks have traditionally used standard dimension paper. However, in practice, this approach is as rare as hen's teeth. Nevertheless, the view is to start students with this approach, as it can be adapted when students enter practice. I took the decision when planning the 4th edition of this pocketbook to move on, and therefore measurement examples are shown in two formats, using dimension paper and also using a spreadsheet, which can be accessed from the website. This is standard dimension paper, or sometimes it's called a dimension sheet, with the various columns labeled according to their function. The various functions are fully described in Chapter 3. And here is dimension paper, complete with dimensions and descriptions. And don't panic, a full explanation as to how to get to this point is given in Chapter 3. This is a spreadsheet used for taking off quantities. And, as can be seen, it contains descriptions and dimensions just like the dimension paper, but in a different format. Spreadsheet solutions for all the examples found in Chapter 3 are included on this website. The so-called waste calculations are interesting. In fact, they are anything but waste and are used to carry out build-up calculations and lengths before transferring to the dimension column. Note 3 decimal places are used in the waste and only 2 in the dimension column. This is the same for dimension paper or spreadsheets. On a spreadsheet, the waste calculation column is shown in blue. When using either dimension paper or spreadsheets, dimensions are always recorded in a specific order, as illustrated on this page. The timesing column is used to multiply dimensions for items that appear more than once. When using a spreadsheet, the timesing column may be found as shown. More detail and explanation on all the above is contained in Chapter 3, as well as www.duncancartridgeonline.com. Here are some links that you may find useful, including a free download of NRM2.